this is Teray and Jero for Teray's Uncut Videos, Rhymes and Rhythms. Well, I am at Recuerdo's Bangga, Segovia, Cafe Himamaylan Neg.Occ. Now, this place has been made since only 1922, and according to the source, this is owned by someone who lives also in here. And I like this place. Actually, I am with my classmates. I am with Maria Vicenta Mansan Urbanozo, Lilia Tabayag, and I am with Inelita Tabayag. Now, we are classmates since high school, and we are here just to take our lunch. But then I enjoy the place. Now, you know, this is very beautiful. And you see there, what is that there, Dai? Sabat ka lang, Dai? Ng mga tulugan?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are recent places, and I hear that you can occupy the place for 2,500 overnight. Now, good for 4, or even good for 2, or if you want to sleep alone, then good for 1. And so that is a fine deal, no? So I enjoy. What is this, guy?
A fountain?
This fountain, is this working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is this working, no? So this is their Recuerdo's fountain. And I can see here toys, dishes. Okay, but then it's not yet functioning, no? So I like this place, Kalakichi. I miss Kalakichi. So they have here one pool, and this is apartment for the place for overnight sleep rest. Now let's go there. So it's nice there. Come on. Now what do we go here? We have chosen to have our lunch here. Actually, we have gotten inside their venue place, and we got pictures already. Come on, guys. There. Okay, my classmates are here. Are you there, my classmates? They took pictures. So here are beautiful, tenders. What's your name? Your name? Linlin, and you're the one taking video.
Renally.
Okay, so see our food. We have ordered for this food. And can you take picture of this? Can you take video?
Sweet and sour.
Yes, yes.
Pork teriyaki. Sutangon.
Yes.
Tocino. And cucumber juice.
And my order is not here. Corn beef, is this? Not yet.
Ay, wala pa.
Okay.
Coming.
So, yes. Okay, coming. Now, this is actually their hall. Can I open it?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on in here, inside. So, this is their video place. We took picture a while ago here. And I sat here. And it's so good, cool. Right? Okay, so follow me up. Here is their pool. Come on. This is a pool so clear and clean. Hello, dears. My classmates. Ayun. Hello, say hi. Alright, come on here. Dali, nagka-video ako. So I am with my friends. I am with my classmates being. So I have here Maria Vicenta Urbanozo, then Lilia Tabayag. And Milit, come here. Lit, where are you? There. She's there. Oh, come on, Lit. So I am enjoying their company. Actually, we have only planned this last night or last day. Okay, follow us up. We will take our lunch a little later. Follow me up, Teray and Jero for Teray's Uncut Videos, Rhymes and Rhythms. Family and friends, Recuerdos.